Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful hat. Make magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, bring yarn, turn it, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, bring yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull through, yarn over, make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, hide this yarn under a stitch, 6, 11 double crochet, make 11 double crochet in first stitch. Now we have 12 stitches in this first row. With these chains, 12 stitch. Insert your hook into this chain top of first stitch. Pull through a slip stitch. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this hole back of this stitch, take these yarns on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this stitch, this hole back of this stitch, make 1 double crochet and continue, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in this stitch like this, take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in this back hole, in last stitch yarn over, take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to first stitch, a slip stitch like this. Now we have 24 stitches in total in second row. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this hole, back of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, back of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet and continue like this. One double crochet in last stitch. Now we have 36 stitches in this row. Insert your hook into first stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, go to back hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet like this and continue. Go to next hole, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, one double crochet in last stitch, go to this stitch, slip stitch. Now we have 48 stitches in this row and continue 2 chains, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, take this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 4, take this stitch like this. One double crochet in last stitch, slip stitch. Now we have 60 stitches in this row. Make 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch from back loop, this loop, make 1/2 double crochet, yarn over, pull through all of them, insert your hook into third yarns. We have 1 2 3 yarn in here, insert your hook into this yarn, go to next stitch from back loop like this, bring yarn, make 1/2 double crochet, pull through all of them, insert your hook into this yarn, go to next stitch from back loop and make 1/2 double crochet, like this. One half double crochet in each stitch. Slip stitch, go to first stitch, top of first stitch and slip stitch. In this row we have 60 stitches. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch from back loop, same as before row. Make 1 half double crochet. Insert your hook into this yarn, go to this yarn, back loop. Make 1 half double crochet. Take this yarn on your hook, make 1 half double crochet, same as before row. Slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, 1 half double crochet in first stitch and continue same as before row. Slip stitch. In this round make 1 chain, 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet, like this. In this row, slip stitch, make a chain, insert your hook into previous this stitch, bring yarn, pull through, insert your hook in previous stitch, bring yarn, pull through, bring yarn, pull through, and continue like this. Go to last stitch, bring yarn, pull through,